I don't know why this seagull is being so negative. Let's find out why. Mine, 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 mine. Hey, do you know where Nemo is? Nemo. You know, his dad has a exotic fish name. I think it's Marlin. You know where he is, mate? Oh, he's a calm little fucker at least. These birds don't give a fuck around here. I think it's the fucking recession. They're like pigeons now. They'll just fucking walk right up to you and fucking eat right out of your hand and shit. Mine? Mine? What's up, little buddy? Here, buddy. Little buddy. What's up? Mine? Mine? He's waiting for me to throw something. Oh wait, I do have something. I have sunflower seeds. See if I can get him to eat a couple. See? Go, ready? Go. Here. There you go. There you go. Go ahead, I'll let you eat. Haha. Told you. And I don't just give my sunflower seeds to anybody. So, consider yourself lucky, little guy. See, now we're friends. Just put your trust in me, and you will see. That's all it takes. A little bit of trust. Now he'll probably fucking eat out of my hand. I highly doubt it. Get lucky if I do. Want some more? Well, finish those first. Finish them up. Go ahead. I ain't gonna do nothing to you. It's a good boy. That's a good boy. Want some more? Want some more? Here you go. Here you go. Here. Look. I ain't gonna hurt you. Good. Come on back. Come on. Nice. There you go. Told you. Good boy. That's a good boy. Here, look, look. We'll step back a few steps. There you go. And you get away. They're not for you. Yeah, you over there. Stay the fuck away. Good boy. All right, buddy. Well, if you see Nemo, tell him his dad met some sea turtles. Peace out.